Home Guard member chamaga kuntaruk hangbagi manungda chamaga hum khaktamak cabinet na mention-gani hairakpada angak papokna re. Home Guard Association na Chief Minister da hangba posting suna lawbinaba ayiba cherol pisinkhre. Tha asigi taraga mangada Chandel District Headquarter da laiba DC office da pangthukiba laingaki cabinet mifam na loisangsingi hangduna lairiba posting chada yangkai gi changda lawduna mensilagani amasung Home Department kina chamada chamagi changda mensilagani haibagi warep lawkhrebasu Manipur Home Guard ki hangduna lairakiba member post chamaga kuntaru ki mahutta chamaga hum khaktamak lawgani hairakibada angak papokna re haire. Hiram asigi matangda ngarang Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association ki president Yanglem Mangina home gi thabaksu puriba chief minister da ayiba cherwala ma pisinduna lawba tarabade ahangba post chamaga kuntaru asi suna lawbi yu haijakre loina na chaliba tha asidasu member kharasu superannuation da thabak-tagi potharagadabana ahangba posting gi masingsu hengalakigani haina su phongdokre haire. Pausi asina fangba pauna haibada October 18, 2023 da additional DGP Elo El Kailunna Joint Secretary Home da iba cherolamada Home Guard singi ahangba post chamaga kuntaruk ni haina yamna mayek sengna phongdok lamba laiki haire aduga tha asigi taraga mangagi cabinet mifamda subnatagi post chamaga ahum khaktamak lawgani hairakpada miyamna angak papokna bane maramasina association gi maikei dage ngarang Chief Minister yauna Commissioner Home amasung Commandant General DGP da ahangba post masing suna lawbinaba haijakibani haire.